Welcome back to the Bechtel Center Filament Showcase series. I'm Elmore, and today's filament is TPU. TPU, or thermoplastic polyurethane, is the most widely used flexible filament on the market that bridges the gap between rubber and plastic. TPU prints at temperatures between 225 and 250 degrees Celsius. It is prone to blobbing and stringing while printing, leading to low accuracy and low quality prints. To mitigate these issues, you can lower the print speed, print with a larger 0.6mm nozzle. This allows the filament to flow more easily and creates a low feed rate, allowing you to print with more success. TPU's durability and flexibility makes it the first choice for lightweight combat robotics armor, vibration dampening, grips, and phone cases. So that's the basics of TPU. Come try printing with it here at the Bechtel Center. We have printers ready for use for your projects. And come back next week to see what filaments we'll have next. Until next time, keep creating and boiler up.